2 calisthenics exercises for complete beginners. The first exercise is incline push-ups, which trains your chest, triceps, and front delts. Find an elevated surface, for example a bench. Put your hands on and shoulder width apart and get into a high plank. Then lower yourself down until your chest touches the surface and push yourself back up until your arms are straight. Focus on keeping your body straight. Don't let it round like a banana. Also remember that the higher the surface, the easier the exercise will become. So if you're finding these push-ups too difficult, just do them on a higher surface. The second exercise is bodyweight rows, which trains your back, rear delts, and biceps. Find a low bar, grip it with your hands shoulder width apart and hang from it like this. Then pull your chest to the bar and slowly return to the starting position. Just like in the push-ups, make sure that your body is straight. Don't let it round like a banana. Also remember that the lower the bar, the harder this exercise will become. It's important to find a bar or a surface high enough that you can do at least 5 but no more than 20 reps. So if you feel like you can do more than 20 reps, find a lower bar or surface to make the exercise more difficult. I hope that this video was useful to you and have an awesome day. Peace!